Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Venom Airdrop. So Venom Airdrop is a huge potential airdrop. We already made a video about Venom. Actually you need to complete all the steps. Here I have shown you how you can climb all the NFTs. Okay, so right now there are two more tasks. Okay, so this is kind of time sensitive video, so you gotta complete these tasks too in order to get eligible for this airdrop. Okay, so now we gotta complete these two more tasks and it's very simple only. So before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos and upcoming airdrop videos and trading strategy videos too. Okay, so I'm planning to make a new trading strategy video guys. I'm telling you, I've been trying it almost 2 weeks now. Okay, it's working like anything, so all we have to do is just do one trade. So wait for that video guys if you don't want to miss out that video. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to follow my Telegram channel too. Okay, so here only I'm going to post any sorts of time sensitive information and everything. Okay, so let's get into the video without wasting your time. So the first thing what we have to do, so first thing, if in case if this is the first time seeing about this Venom testnet, you gotta watch this video guys. This video is important because in this video I showed you how you can climb all the NFTs. I'll leave this video link in the description. Just click on it and watch this video and complete all the tasks and then come to this part 2 video. Okay, so the first thing what we gotta do is I'll leave this link also in the description. Just click on that and it will take you here. So first thing we need to complete this sniper. Okay, so just click on this one. So it's very simple task only. After you come inside here, you can see tweet about sniper finance. Okay, so just click on tweet and then it will take you to the Twitter account and we got to make this tweet. Okay, so just click on the tweet. So once you tweet it, just head back here. Okay, and then you need to click this check button. So once you click check now, and here you can see it got completed. Okay, sometimes it may take 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, wait for 1 minute and then you click the check button, it will be done. Okay, and then now we have to complete check your portfolio on sniper. Okay, so we have to make a portfolio on this platform, so just click on that. So now we gotta join in here. Okay, so just click on this one and click on Venom Chrome extension and your Venom wallet will open. Okay, and then your Venom wallet will get open and we gotta connect it. Okay, so just click connect and then click on this join Venom testnet. You have to click this one and we have to make this transaction. Okay, so just click confirm transaction. Before that you gotta give the password. To give password, just click confirm and then it will be done. Okay, so we need to wait for a few minutes. So now here you can see the transaction sent successfully. Okay, so once it's done now, and you have to head back here and click on this check. Okay, and it will be done, task completed. Now what we have to do is we have to mint this NFT. So just click on the mint NFT and then your transaction will pop up. We gotta do this transaction. Okay, and confirm transaction and the transaction will be done now, and we have to wait 1 to 2 minutes, then your NFT will be successfully claimed. So now here you can see our NFT got claimed successfully, and let's close this and come back to this page again. Okay, so once you've done the task, just come back here and this is another task. Okay, new me, and this task also we're going to do now itself. So just click on that. Once it come inside, we gotta watch this video now. Just click play and then their YouTube video will play. Okay, so this is kind of their introduction video. We gotta watch this video till the end. So once you watch the video, just come back here. It will automatically show the task is completed. If not, just click on the check and then it will be completed. Now we got a tweet about new me, so just click tweet it and then it will be tweeted successfully. So now here you can see we tweeted it. Then head back here and click on check. We need to wait for 1 minute and then it will be completed. And then now we gotta buy this NFT from their platform. Okay, and then we can click on the check button. Okay, so click their this link and then it will take you to their platform. As of now it's in the maintenance. Okay, we are undergoing maintenance to improve your experience. Right now it's not available guys. You gotta complete this task also. Simple guys, if you watch this video you will know how to list our NFT, how to buy our NFT also. Okay, I would have done something like that in this video too. So make sure to watch this video in order to claim other NFT. And in this video actually I'm not able to show you this one because currently the website is under maintenance. I'm not able to show the buying process, but you can also do. Okay, so it's simple process only. And if you want me to make a video for this also, let me know in the comment section. I will separately make a video for this process alone and I'll update in my Telegram channel. Okay, for you guys, if you want me to make it separately, so for you I'll do that for sure. Okay, and pretty much that's it guys. Once you complete this process, just come back here and click on this mint. No, so once you click on the mint, in this NFT, new me NFT will also be minted and it will increase your chance for getting the airdrop from the Venom blockchain. Okay, so don't miss this, guys. Try this. Whatever new projects are coming here, I'll update you. Like, I'll make a video and show you how you can complete the process, and then it might increase your chance of getting the eligibility for the airdrop. Okay, so pretty much that's it, guys, in this video. I hope you all like this video. Make sure to hit the like button. Let me know what doubt you have in the comment section, and thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video.